Hey guys, welcome to the Metabolic Health Docs YouTube channel. I'm hugging Miss Pamela Sangs. Hope my wife don't mind. But I'm happy to bring her to another episode of Patient Testimonial. I'm so proud of her.
Thank you.
And I saw her in May, I think it was,
Yes, it
which was
was.
only a few months ago. I told her about the low-carb diet, and she actually decided she would try it. So since you started the low-carb diet, what has happened? What's gotten better for you?
Well, first of all, I've lost 20 pounds.
Wow.
I sleep better. My clarity is better. My digestion. I'm going more frequently.
Mm-hmm.
It has just been great. When Dr. Hampton first told me about the carnivore keto, I was like, I'm a carnivore. I love meat. This is right up my alley, you know?
Right.
So I tried it, and guys, it works.
It works. And
If you work it, it works.
it'll work, right?
It
and
works.
what's amazing, you said 20 pounds, and that's only a few months. I mean, we're
Yes.
talking about 3 or 4 months,
Yes.
and that's a lot
Yes.
of weight to lose in a
Absolutely.
short time. And you also shared with me that you had a procedure, the healing went well, and one of the things, if
Absolutely.
you
It has
reduce
been
that
great.
inflammation, your body just heals better. And one thing that kind of surprised me is that you said your appetite for alcohol changed. So what happened there?
It did, where I would go days, maybe have a glass of wine sometime too, depending on my day. Since I started that and went through my procedure or getting ready for my procedure, I no longer have the desire. So I've cut that out at this point.
Wow.
Totally, and it's just been great. My skin, everything has improved and just looks better overall.
That's amazing. And what's cool about alcohol, we tell people you can have alcohol in moderation, but you don't want to be just consuming so much alcohol, because there's something called oxidative priority. And what that means is if you put alcohol in your body is going to prioritize alcohol as a fuel. So it won't break down the sugar and the protein and the fats. So that's why people who drink a lot of alcohol have beer bellies and things like that. So it's actually helping you in ways that you can't imagine. So it's okay to indulge periodically.
Yeah.
But if you don't make that your go-to thing, that's much better. So
And it had become my go-to thing, work, stress,
That's
life,
right. That's right.
just dealing with day to day. And
That's
I didn't realize, on top of everything else I was eating, the sugar and the carbs, the sugar from the alcohol, the sugar from the carbs.
That's right.
I didn't realize the effect it was having on me.
But see, that's a golden message. So when you do addictive behaviors, and carbs are addictive, then you want to do other addictive behaviors. When you remove addictive behaviors like carbs, then you want to do less addictive things like alcohol.
Absolutely.
So it all kind of works out, right?
It did.
So
It's been great.
I'm amazed. It's only been a few months, guys. So for those who are checking this out, it doesn't take long to heal. You just have to have the desire, the right information to heal, and you will do just that. So thank you again. And I appreciate you for coming.
Thank you, Dr. Hampton. I
this
appreciate
video.
you.
I hope her story inspires you, and let's share this video with others so they can do the same. If you've had success with low carb, share it in the comments. And until the next video, continue to be safe, be well, and continue to protect your nest.
Thank you. It works.